Hello? That's creepy as fuck. Jesus Christ. If this is a trap, and I hate to tell you, it's not a good one.
Shoes.
Shit!
Calm down before you start wrecking my house.
Don't sneak up on me like that.
Sorry. Don't mean no harm.
Right.
Let me help you with your jacket.
Don't touch it. Where's the stuff I have to fix?
The barn. My tools and things are up there. But as you can see,
Great.
you're welcome to take a seat and wait till the weather's fine. I got some tea on. You want any?
No.
You weren't raised with much manners, were you?
No. Thank you.
Much better.
This place looks like it's seen better days.
It's been my family for generations. It might not be like the fancy houses you might be used to, but it's been reliable.
That doesn't mean it hasn't seen better days. The paint is starting to crack.
I suppose you're right.
What's your deal?
Excuse you.
Wraiths are rare to find anywhere. It's illegal for a vamp to make one. But here you are.
You've been rude and unfriendly the whole time that we've known each other. Why would I tell you anything?
Fine. Forget I asked.
The problem ain't in you asking. It's 'cause I don't know anything about you. All I know is that you're just a punk with a vendetta against a vampire that may or may not be in this town.
He is here.
True as you think that might be, it's still not a reason for me to trust you.
I'm not looking for your trust. I just asked a question.
Something tells me otherwise.
What do you want to know?
Who are you?
I told you my name. Google is free.
Do it look like this place got any Wi-Fi?
That's sad.
Nobody said living around it was fun.
Fair enough. I'm a musician.
That it?
What's more to say?
How about some more basic information?
Sorry, I didn't realize that this was an interview.
If it was, then that attitude of yours would have gotten you kicked out a while ago. Now try again.
I'm from Washington. I used to be in a band called Bite Back, and I'm a wolf shifter.
What I saw you shift into was bigger than any wolf I've seen.
Shifters are usually bigger than the animals they turn into,
Even the doc said you were bigger than your kind usually gets.
and the doc knows a lot about wolf shifters.
They used to be a medical muse before they got turned.
Do you mean a panacea?
Same difference.
Sure, old man.
I ain't that old.
How old are you?
Old enough to whoop your ass.
That's cute.
Move on and talk before I kick you out into the rain. What are you really?
I'm a ghoul.
Ah, an evil spirit?
No. Don't you know what that is?
An evil spirit.
I'm not an evil spirit.
Then stop expecting me to know the answer to shit I don't know and tell me what that means.
I take it that means you used to be a warder.
Yeah,
Alright then. Do you know what a celestial savant is?
can't say I do.
I guess that tells me how much the NMC's been around here. Do you know what a savant is?
There are folks whose magic affects their bodies.
Right. So there's three kinds of savants. Regular ones that we associate with vampires and werewolves. Then there's the celestial savants. People whose magic fucks up their body so much that they look like abstract art.
Does that hurt?
Fuck if I know. But it makes them stronger. Allows them to use different kinds of magic as long as they have enough stamina for it.
I see. So what are ghouls?
Ghouls are savants that are different.
What does that mean?
It means that we're like regular savants, except that we can use what's called blood magic.
Oh,
Stop that.
stop what?
That look. I'm not going to hurt you.
It's called having a reaction.
We'll have a reaction that doesn't look like I'm gonna do something to you.
You already tried to, but that ain't the point. I didn't know that blood magic was an actual thing.
Well, it is.
What can it do?
I can't tell you that.
Why not?
I just can't. Alright.
Okay then. What were you saying about ghouls?
Ghouls can use blood magic, but we're also made differently from other savants. We're physically different, and we also lose control of ourselves.
What's that mean?
It means that every time I fully shift, I risk going into a frenzy because of my magic.
Oh. And you became a ghoul.
Ghouls aren't made, they're born.
Alright. So you ain't a wolf?
I am, but not to other wolves.
I take it that you don't have pack then.
No,
That's a shame.
I don't need one anyways. No comments on that?
I figure you're right. It ain't my place to tell you what's best for you. If you say you don't need a pack, then I believe that.
Thanks, I guess.
You're welcome.
How'd you become a wraith?
There ain't much to it, really. I died, and then I came back. And then I found out what I was.
Yeah, but... Okay, so you don't know who your sire is? Why they brought you back?
I do know. But it's personal.
Alright. Well, what is your general deal?
You're asking a lot about dealings that ain't yours.
And you're not giving me answers.
Settle down, punk. I was turned a year ago. I work as a priest and a farmer for the town. And I've lived here all my life.
Really?
Yup. I lived, died, and came back from death here.
You never wanted to leave?
I did. But that ain't for me now.
Why?
I got responsibilities here. A community I'm part of. And one that I care about. I can't up and leave them.
I guess that makes sense.
Rain's gone, so we can head to the barn. You wearing that while you work?
Yeah, why?
The jacket will be fussy to work in, and you might want some new clothes after you get your sweating done. You got any other stuff you can change into?
No.
You really must be in a warpath looking for that Jack person in the state that you are.
I wasn't thinking. I just needed to catch up to him before I couldn't find him again.
And how long's that been going on?
2 weeks.
If there is a God, then he's certainly not gonna stop you from finding that man.
If, Pastor?
Forget I said that. I'll get you some clothes, and you can wear them after you shower.
I don't need.
I don't care. You ain't walking around stinking of sweat after leaving my place. Now go out and wait the barn. I'll be back there with you.
Hi, I'm Mr. Laveau, and I have a Patreon. If you want to support the channel, then you can check me out at patreon.com/Mr. Laveau, no space. And from there, you'll get perks such as patron-decided SFW and NSFW art, NSFW audios, updates of NeXus novellas, and you'll even get your name at the end of videos under the appropriate tiers. This is all, and I hope you have a good day, stay hydrated, and make sure to take care of yourself.